go to the Breakwater. Look at all these kayaks. Hey, look at all these kayaks. In London, there's like 10 in the water already. Yes. Yeah, let's do it. All of these gorgeous kayakers. Absolutely beautiful. Emmanuel's with us today. Lots and lots of kayaks today. Look at this beautiful sight. All right, the Sea Ghost.
You have a permit for this gathering?
I have it right here. Hold on, let me get it for you. Come, look it over. We have over 50 kayaks today. Look at this. So here we are at the East Ricasoli Breakwater Lighthouse, and we're taking a break, and hopefully the moon is going to pop. Look at that beautiful sphere. That made this trip worth just to see this thing. I'm gonna buy so many of those. Miss Bonavia, what do you think of this event? That's it. Here we are, near Tinya, 50 kayaks.
And you win the prize today, the best kayak flight. Woohoo! Awesome.
kayaks successfully. Did a night paddle. It was amazing. Beautiful.